Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to go through some live niche research for merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand websites like Etsy, Redbubble, and beyond. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys and we're going to go through everything from start to finish. Hopefully you'll find this video very informative and it'll help you a lot. So I'm going to go to Merch Dominator bestsellers, and what I usually do is I go to newest. So I like to sort by newest and I click on search. And over here, guys, we can right off the bat see some trends forming. So this design right here, recycle, reuse, etc. As you can see, it repeats, guys. It repeats, which means that people are uploading and they're selling very quickly. As you guys can see, today is the 8th of April, and this design right here got uploaded on the 7th of April and sold already. This one right here, there's two of them. There's a reason why they're sold very quickly. So I did some quick research. It took me like 10 minutes or so, and I want to present it to you guys so that we don't waste time, right? Because I want to give you what, so we have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 niches right there that you guys can enter and potentially make some decent money. Right, so the first one, we've got this one right here. Reuse, recycle, reuse, renew, rethink. It is absolutely killing it right now. As you guys can see, BSI is pretty low. The idea it is, what is the idea? The idea is to make a design that not everybody is making, right? Try and get inspired from the competition and try and come up with a different angle than the competition. So try and think to yourself, what kind of color you haven't tapped into? What kind of design elements you need to integrate in this design? What kind of fonts would work out well, etc., etc. And we do this for every single niche, guys. You have to learn to sub-niche and cross-niche. So Merch Dominator will give you the niches, and then you guys have to use your brain a little bit to try and tap into these niches in the best way possible. So I think this niche right here is doing well. You know, Earth Day usually does well, and this niche seems to be the trending niche for Earth Day. Next, we have this one right here, right? 43 results only. And there are two designs that sell well. So this one right here, and let's see, this one here and this one here. It is a trending niche, guys. It is a trending niche. You gotta have to check the copyright on this. There are not many results, and Merch Dominator right off the bat caught it, right? Got uploaded yesterday, sold yesterday. Merch Dominator caught it immediately, guys. And this is what I mean. Absolutely crazy. Next, so we have this one right here. Let's check it out. Let's see. My foot. Okay. My foot. Yeah, there it is. So 19 results, guys. Not many results. How many did it sell? Let me just refresh. I want to give you guys these examples live so that you can see how it all works. All right. 80. Wow. Below 100K. 216. If this design is not copyrighted, it might be a meme, I don't know, but as you guys can see, it's not very saturated. You guys have to check the copyright. I haven't checked on that, but there's an idea. Really, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are only 9 results in this niche, and it is selling. All of the results are below 1 million. And one of them is below 100K. I can see trend forming here, guys. I don't know what the background of this, but you guys have to check for yourself, all right? Right, next, let's see what else did we find. What else? Obviously, this My Son-in-Law, this one right here is absolutely crushing it. I think I tackled it in another video. There it is. 291 results, but if you go to the third page, it will have a lot more results. So, because it's a niche that is killing it right now. I'm sure that you guys can come up with a different variation, and it's all about trying to think outside the box. So look, this guy has thought outside the box and used a variation of design theme that is working really well, which is the wavy, groovy type of design, right? You just got to think outside the box like that. Just look at what people are doing, what else they haven't tackled, which angle they haven't done yet, and you do it. Guys, what I'm sharing with you, not many people will share with you. And hopefully soon, I'm going to show you guys a design that I've uploaded into a brand new Merch by Amazon account, right? That has no advertising whatsoever, that has no, history. It's not selling that well. And then it started selling and it started making, decent amounts of sales in the, short period of time. In the last 7 days, it actually made like 10 or 12 sales. I'm going to share that with you guys, show you the results and all of that. It would be in the next video. Yeah, so this niche is crushing it. Next, what do we have? Let's see what we have in the list. And guys, you can get the latest results with the published data. This way you can see what is trending. Let's have a look. Yeah, so Trump mugshot. How many results do we have? 134 results. Is it selling? Yeah, there you go. 79. Guys, just the latest trends. And I caught this niche a few days ago, actually. Caught it a few days ago when it had nothing. There we go. Selling well. Again, try different variations. Next. What do we have? Right. This one here has only 44 results. Is it selling? Let's see. And not all the results are related to the quotes that I entered in there. There you go, selling. Oh. There we go. There's one, is it selling? It's off, more than 1 million, so it's not selling that much. This one right here, 325K, so it is selling. 7 million, 6 million. It's not selling crazy, but it doesn't have that much competition. So you can consider checking it out if you just want to enter a niche that doesn't have much competition and maybe can sell you once or twice a month. Next, what do we have? We have, it's not easy being my wife's arm candy. How many results? 82 results only. Actually, I didn't enter it right. It should have been it's. Let me update this result. Yeah, 623. So 623 results. Let's check the BSR. BSR is not bad, actually. Yeah, decent BSR. It's not as good as my son-in-law, the other niche that I showed you, but it's got some action going. Yeah, so this is a niche I would consider going into, especially that it doesn't have more than 1,000 results. But if we go to the third page, I'm not sure if we're going to have more than 1,000 results. Let's check. Yeah, only 623 results. This is a decent niche, actually. Yeah, not bad. Next, what do we have? We've got, I don't have the time or the crayons. How many results? 255. Let's just wait for it to update. Just need to get this BSR. Sometimes the extension takes long, but hey ho. Right, selling. Not this one right here. Forgive me. Yeah, 1,900,645. It's not screaming hot, it's not boiling hot, but it does have some kind of action. At least it is selling somewhat, but not very, very good. But the niche is not that saturated, if you guys can see. So if you're looking to get into a niche that is not saturated but makes some sales, and this is a niche to check out. Okay, next. Child abuse. All right. Yeah, selling well. Selling. This is a decent niche. Again, try and find the variation that works for you. Yeah, decent niche, guys. BSI is decent. Yeah, there's lots of variations that you can get into. Yeah, we discussed that. What else? Yeah, Purple Up for military kids. Again, there are different variations you can get into. The BSI is insane. Nice niche, guys. Yeah, so what you got to do is you can go into each one of them and see how much competition there is in each niche and the BSR in that first page across the board. And that's how you make your decision whether the niche is good or not. But guys, from what I can see, nice niche. And it's all done with Merch Dominator. I literally didn't have to make any effort whatsoever. I just looked at the newest, because Merch Dominator gets you the latest designs that have been uploaded and that are making sales. It doesn't give you anything that is not making sales. It only gives you designs that are selling and that have action. Obviously, there are plenty of other ways you can use to find niches and great designs and trends that are selling well and that are profitable. You've got seller trends and all of that. But obviously, we've discussed that in various other videos and hopefully in future videos, which we'll do with the premium members of Merch Dominator, hopefully. And if you guys haven't got into Merch Dominator yet, the premium version, we have a 50% discount, guys, lifetime. So you just copy this discount right here, goes to the pricing page, copy the discounts, put it here, apply, and it, instead of $49, it becomes $24.50 per month for lifetime, guys, as long as you're registered, of course. And the annual option also gives you 2 months for free on top of that. So for the year, it becomes $245. That's around what, $20 per month? You can make it back up with, you know, selling 4 or 5 t-shirts, guys, at $19.99. So yeah, the sky is the limit, guys. We're going to be doing loads and loads of updates coming up. There's AI coming up. There's loads of different things, guys, that I really am excited to share with you. And there's going to be training. We're going to be doing events all over the world. You guys just wait. Premium members are going to be laughing very, very soon. And plus, they'll be able to get access to the affiliate marketing and they'll be able to earn from promoting the platform. Again, the money will literally be made just through promoting the platform. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. There's loads coming up. So yeah, so excited about that. And if you guys want to check out 200 niches for free, I'll leave you a link in the description below. If you guys want to check out my course on Print on Demand Merch by Amazon, link in the description below. It has everything that I've done, how I've been able to achieve, you know, the results and the success that I've been able to achieve, the strategies, literally you name it, it's there. And for you guys that don't have a Merch by Amazon account, I've got you guys the creation service. I'll leave you a link below in the description. And also the this is the course. So I was talking about the niches. So we have the niches as well, niches service. And if you guys want to do coaching with me and, you know, discuss strategies and stuff like that, then I'm happy to do so. I'll leave you a link in the description as well. So I hope you found this video informative, guys, and, you know, you found some niches that could potentially help you out. Yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.